This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream biryani. Begin by chilling rice and ice cream separately, infusing rice with cardamom and saffron, layer warm rice with semi-melted ice cream, fold gently, freeze for firm set, garnish with toasted nuts and edible rose petals, and serve chilled to preserve textures. Use basmati for fragrance, add a light sugar syrup if desired, monitor freezer to avoid ice crystals. Gather ingredients: basmati rice, full-fat ice cream, cardamom, cinnamon, saffron, sugar syrup, and nuts. Cook rice until tender but not mushy, spread to cool and dry slightly, and chill thoroughly. Soften ice cream just enough to fold without melting completely, then layer rice and ice cream alternately in a bowl or mold. Press gently, freeze until firm, and unmold carefully to keep beautiful layers and clean slices for serving. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without glare, and it stores many cookbooks and notes so you can follow steps hands-free while cooking. It fits easily on a counter and keeps recipes handy for testing dessert experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on timing and temperature. Balance slightly warm rice with semi-firm ice cream to create cohesive layers without melting. Use a gentle folding motion to combine textures and avoid whipping air into the mixture. For clean slices, freeze until just firm and rest briefly at room temperature before cutting. Toast nuts separately for crunch, and add a drizzle of rose syrup or a pinch of edible gold for a showy finish that keeps guests curious and delighted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.